Cryptocurrency is reshaping the world of finance. But what exactly is it, and how did it all start? Let's take a quick look at the origins of cryptocurrency and its impact. The story of cryptocurrency begins in 2008, in the wake of the global financial crisis. An anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper, introducing the concept of a decentralized digital currency. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates without a central bank, relying instead on blockchain technology to verify and record transactions. At the heart of cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Once a block is added to the chain, it's nearly impossible to alter, making blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. Bitcoin paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum introduced smart contracts, allowing for decentralized applications, while coins like Litecoin and Ripple brought new innovations. Today, the crypto market is diverse, with each currency offering unique features and use cases. Cryptocurrency has disrupted traditional finance by offering peer-to-peer transactions, greater financial inclusion, and the promise of privacy. It's opened up new opportunities for people around the world, allowing them to bypass traditional banking systems. But it also comes with risks, including volatility and regulatory challenges. The origins of cryptocurrency show us how one idea can revolutionize an entire industry. As the technology continues to evolve, it's clear that digital currencies are here to stay, shaping the future of finance in ways we're only beginning to explore.